Okay, hey guys. So I'm gonna talk about the Z Fold. I'm gonna talk about how we got this and how much we got it from Smart. So this is primarily for here in the Philippines. So first of all, I got it here for Smart. You can see the different plans. I focused on the plan 199 because my data usage per month is more than 10 GB. My previous plan was 1499 and I would always add an additional 600 or 500 pesos because I would always consume the 10 gig, right? But here's what I want to show you guys, right? So currently this is how much the price is online, right? This is the actual price. As you can see here, this is the price in store. So this is going to be the SRP price, but currently there are discounts that are coming out. Just for reference, this is the price for everything, including the Flip 5, in case you're curious, right? But for this one, we're just going to focus on the Z Fold 5, right? So currently, there's a discount. There's a free upgrade. So the price of the 256 is the same as the 512. So of course, just get the 512, right? And then for the 1 terabyte, there's a 7,000 peso difference. But we're gonna focus on the 512 because honestly, I don't need the 1 terabyte, right? I think the storage, like the 256, I back up my phone every like once a year. I remove all the pictures and I back it up somewhere else. And the 256, it takes me a while in order to consume that. So you can see here, like I said, I focus on the plan 199. So this is the how much you pay every month. So same as the price. And this is the amortization. This is the amortization if you are on retention. Okay, so here is a quick snapshot of their plan. So you have the if it's a new contract. So the biggest difference is that for if it's a new contract, they'll only do amortization at plan 199 and 299, right? 2,000 pesos per month, but you still have a down payment, right? If you're an existing user, these are the prices, and I've summarized that over here. Just take a screenshot of this if you want. So you can see here, this is the phone amortization and this is the plan. This is the total amount that you're gonna pay per month. And this is how much you're paying for the phone, excluding this plan, right? But if you take into account the total cost of ownership between the monthly plan and the monthly amortization for the phone, it's roughly about this much. So quite frankly, of course, it makes sense in order to get it in the actual, together with an actual plan in Smart. So I actually went for this. So it comes out 116,000 inclusive of the plan for 24 months, right? But of course, if you compare that versus the 98, it makes sense just to go for the 116. Okay, so I finally got it. I actually applied for it just last Sunday, and I got it today, which is Thursday. Okay, so I'm gonna do this pretty fast. It's pretty basic, right? You've got the box, and then you have the phone, okay, and then that's it. On this side here you have the SIM card ejector tool. You have Samsung Care. Samsung Care, by the way, is already included for the first year. I think it's like 10,000 pesos if you're going to renew it per month. And then you've got the SIM ejector tool here, no? And then of course you got a cable. Once again, no charger, but I think the charger in Samsung's about 1,000 pesos, something like that, no? So we're going to be using this in a while. So let's open this up. So it actually goes through a whole process here that you can see. there's actually a pop-up and it shows this one. This one popped up in my S23. They were just beside each other. So this should be pretty fast. There is a app here that is called Smart Switch. So here we found the Smart Switch. Just have to allow this, receive data. So Galaxy phone will be using a cable, okay, and then here we have to use Smart Switch also. Okay, so here we have the Smart Switch app. So this one's gonna send data, cable. This one's gonna receive data from a Galaxy cable. All right, and then let me just get the cable, the standard USB-C cable. There you go. So you can see here, of course I'm gonna do everything. See what can't be transferred, calls and contacts, WhatsApp, Viber, chat history. Okay, so next. So all, I'm gonna do all because it's just 31. Copy to new device. So it's requiring me to use my finger. Skip. So there you go, 1 hour and 5 minutes. All right, that's it, we're done. So you just click done here. And then here you go to the home page, and then I guess from here you're just gonna have to reassign all of your icons. I guess that's what I'm gonna do. It didn't really carry over all the settings, as you can see here. It didn't really install. And looking here, it didn't really install all the apps because I don't see my messaging apps as well. So as you can see here, it took a while. The apps just started downloading, but basically everything's in here already, you know. The WhatsApp and the Viber, you had to download that backup separately within the app, and then you have to reload and transfer the files. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for this. Please remember to like and subscribe because I want to do a little bit more videos on this. I do have a little bit more gadgets to do reviews on as well. I've just been so busy. So please like and subscribe if you want to see those as well. Thank you. Bye.